Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up stretched resolution in Valorant. We begin by opening your graphics card control panel. In this example, I will use the NVIDIA control panel, but the steps are similar for most graphics card software. Once the panel is open, look for the option called Change Resolution. To create the stretched resolution, you need to make your own custom setting. Click on Create Custom Resolution. You will see fields for horizontal pixels and vertical pixels. The vertical number always stays the same as your original height. The horizontal number will be calculated by multiplying your vertical number by 1.45. For example, if your monitor is 1920 by 1080, take the 1080 value and multiply it by 1.45. This gives you 1566. Use this number as your new horizontal value. Type it into the horizontal pixel field. Keep the vertical field at 1080. Once you have entered the values, click Test. If the screen responds normally, you can click Yes to accept the settings. Then click Save to confirm the new custom resolution. Sometimes Valorant may reset the resolution back to the original one. If this happens, there is a simple method that may help. Close Valorant and open Device Manager on your computer. Look for the category called Monitors. Inside, you may see multiple monitors listed. Right-click each monitor and choose Disable. Do this for all monitors shown. Then launch Valorant and apply the custom resolution again. This method usually fixes the issue and allows Valorant to accept the stretched resolution. Thanks for watching.